OnePlus Nord 2T's mid-range phone is making serious waves, and for good reason. If you're on the hunt for a powerful yet affordable smartphone, then buckle up because we're about to give you 5 reasons why the OnePlus Nord 2T might just be your perfect match. Let's start with the powerhouse under the hood. The Nord 2T boasts the MediaTek Dimensity 1300 processor. This bad boy tackles demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're crushing graphically intense games, switching between countless apps, or editing videos on the go. Plus, with options for 8GB or even 12GB of RAM, you'll experience seamless multitasking without a hitch. Looking to up your social media game? The Nord 2T's camera system won't disappoint. The 50 megapixels main sensor captures stunning detail, while the ultra-wide sensor lets you fit more into the frame. Nighttime? No problem. The Nord 2T handles low-light situations beautifully. And let's not forget the 32 megapixels front camera, perfect for capturing those selfie masterpieces. We all hate waiting for our phones to charge, right? Well, the Nord 2T eliminates that frustration. With its insanely fast 80 watts Super VOC charging, you can go from near dead to ready to go in a matter of minutes. That quick coffee break, all you need to get back to 100%. Let's talk about the gorgeous 6.43-inch AMOLED display. Not only is it big and beautiful, but the 90 Hz refresh rate makes everything feel smooth and responsive. Scrolling through social media, watching videos, or gaming, it's all a joy on this vibrant display. OnePlus is known for its clean and user-friendly software, and the Nord 2T is no exception. Oxygen OS 13, based on Android 13, offers a smooth and bloatware-free experience. Plus, you'll get all the latest updates and features to keep your phone feeling fresh. Why the OnePlus Nord 2T deserves a serious look. It's a phone that delivers fantastic performance, a versatile camera system, lightning-fast charging, a stunning display, and a clean software experience, all at a very attractive price point. If you're looking for a mid-range smartphone that punches above its weight, the OnePlus Nord 2T is a serious contender. Let us know in the comments below what features excite you the most about this phone, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.